Yeah, well, we can all do a petition against it. That what you do is a very, very good job. You go out your way to pattern the homeless.
Come with the paper and people will come to food, will go to sign it, to come every day. Yes. Seriously.
It is ridiculous that, well, I wouldn't go to the council if you kneecap me because of the fact that the council and the police have removed this legend here that helps the streets, company, amazing food. They want to kill us off.
For true, yeah. And we need you out here. We need you because our homeless people, we don't get to eat every day. And what you do is good. It's a good, very good thing. So please, everyone out there, just keep it together and just try and keep it going, please.
Yeah.
Because what you do is a very good thing.
Did you get any soup today?
No, not yet.
So did you?
I know you come with the soup.
Yeah, so I'll be coming with the soup soon, yeah? All right.
I know you guys come here and send everybody.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah, you choose to take it off your own back to help the homeless. You don't need to do that. And what you do is a very, very good job.
Yes, everybody, so I'm back out in my local community, but I don't have my shopping trolley with me. But I came to visit Dave. Dave's got something to say to you guys, people.
No, it's me, Davidoff. I say Davidoff, David. It is ridiculous that, well, I wouldn't go to the council if you kneecap me because of the fact that the council and the police have removed this legend here that helps the streets, company, amazing food. They want to kill us off. And that's exactly what they do. All they want to do is they don't want to solve problems, they just want to remove problems. Sorry about that. But I don't want any support from the system at all. I've been here the whole time now, I'm a little world, and I appreciate all the support. And for Ringo to be treated like that, it's an absolute disgrace. And the council, the system, do not have don't give a F word. It is just not acceptable at all. I fight for freedom and maintain the best I possibly. Yeah, it's a mental battle. When you see me dancing around and that just helps me out, gets the steam out of me, it is a mental battle. And that's why I appreciate all the support here. And it's just a disgrace. It's ludicrous. The system doesn't know what they're doing at all. All they want to do is just throw you away. Or, oh, we've got a room for you miles away. No, I'm in West Croydon, it's my home here, and I appreciate all the support. And I want to make sure the youth don't end up like this and stay strong because things can get on top of you in time, so be cautious. And I'm always here if you have anybody ever needs any support, sincerely. And I love all of you for this. I love all of you for accepting me in your home in West Croydon. But the system can job on, the council can not interested.
And Dave, could you tell everyone how it's affected you? Because normally I'll come out once a day and give you a hot meal.
Yeah, it's affected me by firstly the company, because it's very lonely. Sorry about that, I need to put a bit of water on my thing. It's affected me by the company-wise. I miss seeing you. I miss seeing Ringo a lot. Food's unbelievable.
I've missed you as well, Dave. I've actually missed you as well because I've thought about if you guys are eating, if you've still got that rain suit that I've given you because it's been raining a lot, it's cold out here. 2 nights ago it was like -2.
Yeah.
So that support is needed to come and give you. I can see that you've got a bit of clothing, but the food is essential.
Yeah, and just that, reassurance of you're not alone and getting the love from Ringo, family, it just makes all the difference. Even spend time with somebody for mildly in the day, it makes all the difference to me, I can't be dancing around all the time, it's nice to communicate with people.
Yeah.
But he's a legend,
And look, you're just in your home right now, just chilling out and you're comfortable.
Yeah,
but
that's me done for the day now.
But what makes a difference is that people like us that will come out, spend some time.
You go out of your way to do it.
And sometimes I cook food right by you as well.
Bad boy food. Bad boy, I love it. I love the Caribbean Brixton cuisine. Oh, the coconut flavours.
Yes.
Unbelievable. And it's the heart, it's family, It's got that goodness in it, and this is how ridiculous the system is. So when people ever say to me, sorry, I don't know if I can. When people ever say to me, would you go to the council? I wouldn't go to the council if you kneecap me, is how ridiculous the council is.
Yeah.
They just want to kill you off. And it's ridiculous. This is the real world, you know. It's so ridiculous the system is. And I want to teach for you right from wrong.
Yeah.
You know, this is real. It's real. And it's ridiculous. 7 years. You bring us back 7 years.
7 years.
But that's just, you know what I mean? Let's just make up a number. It's ridiculous.
Do you know what I mean? Let's just make up a number.
Yeah.
Do you need anything from the shop, Dave?
See, when somebody asks me, do I need anything from the shop, I always get confused.
Yeah.
A drink?
Yeah, I'll get you a drink. Yeah.
Have a cider?
Yeah.
Lovely. Oh, brother, I appreciate that.
No, I appreciate you, Dave. Hopefully I'll be out very, very soon with the meal, with the kitchen, and we'll be back in action again. Yeah? One love, Dave, yeah? Thank you. Love.
Yeah, well, we can all do a petition against it. That what you do is a very, very good job. You go out your way to pattern the homeless. Yeah, you choose to take it off your own back to help the homeless. You don't need to do that. And what you do is a very, very good job. And so it should carry on. So whoever's trying their utmost to stop it,
Yeah.
if you don't mind me saying that, fuckery, just keep it going.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and don't let no one stop it. For true.
Yeah.
Because what you're doing is a good cause, and you know what? No, man, it's fuckery. So yeah,
Respect
for
that.
true.
Yeah.
And we need you out here. We need you because of homeless people. We don't get to eat every day, and what you do is good. It's a good, very good thing. So please,
Respect.
everyone out there, just keep it together and just try and keep it going, please.
Yeah.
Because what you do is a very good thing. Yeah?
Yeah,
Bless.
respect. Bless.
Thank you, love.
And I'm just right here, people, yeah, where I stand up and cook the food right here, West Croydon Station, you understand? Yeah, man, and these are some homeless people that I'm always feeding as well, just outside. Pastry.
Yeah.
So did you get any soup today?
No, not yet.
So did you?
I know you come with the soup.
Yeah, so I'll be coming with the soup soon, yeah? All
I
right.
know you guys come here and send me money.
Yes, sorry.
I wait for you sincerely. Go for Jamaican soup, man.
Yeah, because
One love.
I had some problem where they was trying to ban me from serving the soup.
No.
Yeah, the police.
Why?
The police said that for 7 years I'm not allowed to come and serve the food.
What for? What for? Because you serve your food, man. You don't take money from people. You serve, you do a good thing for
Yeah.
people.
So that's what I'm saying.
Not the problem. Because you help us.
Yes.
Come on.
I'll be back
It's a
out.
common sense.
I'll be back out, but they want to put some restriction. Yeah, they want to put some restriction. There's
Come with the paper and people will come to food, will go to sign it, to come every day. Yes. Seriously.
yes,
I know you guys come here and serve us food,
Yes.
lovely soup and everything.
Yes.
A coffee, a tea, all the time.
Yes.
And yes, we
Okay.
appreciate that.
Thank you.
We appreciate that. Seriously.
Thank you. So, yeah, I'm gonna come out soon
I
anyway.
remember when I was 25.
Yeah, but you're not homeless now. So this is a lady here. This is a lady here. She was homeless, but I was helping her with the soup as well. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No, you're welcome.